Good morning students and welcome to your which class? This is your SST class and today's date is 25th January 2021. Yes, I hope all of you are good and safe at your home. Yes, now with your family. And student, one more thing, tell me what is tomorrow? Which day is? Tell me student, which day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is the 26th January and on 26th January this day we are celebrating now on as a Republic Day. This is our national festival. Yes, you know. So student, at your home all of you watch the national parade at on your television and all of you enjoy now this parade this year. Yes, you know, celebrating this day, Republic Day, because on 26th January, on this day, we are Republic now. It means on this day, our constitution is executed. Okay, and in our country have some rules, regulation, how our country is governed, because our country is a very big country. There are many states and some union territories. Yes, you know, so in this day our country is a republic and our constitution is executed, that is launched. Okay, and we are celebrating this national festival as a Republic Day. In our country there are three national festivals: 26th January as a Republic Day, 15th August, that is Independence Day, 2nd October, that is Gandhi Jayanti, and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. Understand student? Then come to the today's class topic. Your UT second exam is over now. And I hope all of you done now very good in your exam. Your performance is very good. Yes, you know. Then after that today we will discuss about your annual exam syllabus. What chapters are coming in your annual examination, and in annual examination your project work also, that is maybe 10 marks. So let's start today's class. First I am discuss you syllabus. This is annual exam syllabus. Yes, you know how many chapters are coming? Everyone mention now in your copy diary. First chapter 17, that is agriculture. Agriculture. Then next chapter is chapter 18, our industries. Our industries. Our industries. The next chapter is chapter 25, our goals, rights and duties. Our goals, rights and duties. Next chapter is 27, our national symbols. Our national symbols. These four chapters are coming in your annual exam syllabus. This chapter is done now. 17 is done now. It means we are completing now 3 remaining chapters. Okay. So students, everyone take mark in your SST books. Chapter 18, our industries. Chapter 25, our goals, rights and duties. Chapter 27, our national symbols. Understand students? Okay. After that, what is the project work? Project work. project work. I will give you here one advice. All of you right now, this work in your SST copy back side. This is good for you. Because some students are after 2-3 days was, ma'am, what is the syllabus? Ma'am, what is the project work? So this is good for you. Or everyone note down these things in your SST copy. Okay. Then here mention now I am project work. Project work. Project work. First is write fundamental rights. Write fundamental and write fundamental rights. Sorry, on file page. Okay. Page number with the help of your book. Here mention now and page number also 161. Okay. Then second is collect pictures. Collect pictures of any two. Here mention now I am any two modern Indian. Modern Indian, it means current time. Modern Indian scientist. Okay. Scientist. Otherwise social reformers. Okay. Social reformers. Collect pictures of any two modern Indian scientists and social reformers and learn about, sorry, and write about their contribution. It means you have to write now some lines on that. If you are paste now some picture of modern scientists, suppose that you collect picture of AP Abdul Kalam, but he was not present this time. You paste that picture modern scientist. Okay, and you have to write now only 2-3 lines. Okay. Then third is paste and draw any two things which are found on our national ambulance. Okay. This is the help of page number 170. Page number 170. And this is the help of page number. I'm seeing this page number from your book. Page number 155. Okay, students. One more thing, student. This is very important for you. Here is 3 activity. You have to choose now only 2. Do any 2. Understand? Here mention now I am. And everyone, this thing do on your file page. Where you have to do now? Note. Here mention now I am. Do activity. You do project work. Do project work only. I mention now I am only file page. Don't make a now chart. Okay. File page. And here is the choice 1, 2 and 3. It means only 2 project activity all of you do now. First is write fundamental rights on file page. Here you may only mention now fundamental rights. How many fundamental rights? There are 6 fundamental rights. You all of you write now these fundamental rights from your books. Okay. In very good handwriting, this is the fundamental rights. Look at here. This is the fundamental right. I mention now the page number also. Okay. And you decorate that file page. Okay. Then second is collect the picture of any 2 modern Indian scientists. If you are take modern Indian scientist picture. So that time you have to write now 2-3 lines on their contribution from science. And if you are take some social reformers picture, you have to write now 2-3 lines on that, on their contributions. Okay. And this activity all of you do now on file page. It means only 2 activity you have to do now. If you are choose now this activity, this is very easy. Paste and draw any 2 things which are found on our national emblems. Here is the picture. This is the last chapter. National emblems. Look at here. Here is the some pictures. This is our national emblems pictures. Okay. Any two you collect now, you draw now. That is your choice. And you paste now on your file page. Okay. And write now on only the name. And one more thing. Student, you send me your project work picture on my personal WhatsApp number. Understand? So everyone, each page you have to write now your name with section. Okay, I'm here given your dates. On that day, class 4th student send me your picture. On this date, class B section student send me pictures, and C section this date. Okay, this is very good for you. Okay, because your because in your annual examination your project work is maybe 10 marks. Okay. So second is fourth is students, submit me your project submission date is 2nd Feb 2021. Okay. Look at here. Fourth B, your date is 4th. And fourth C, your date is 6th Feb. Okay. After that date, I am not see your project and I am not give you your marks. I am give you only 0 marks if you are not send me your picture on that day. Class 4th A, send me your project work date is 2nd Feb. Class 4th B on 4th Feb. And 4th C, your date is 6th Feb. If there is any problem regarding your project work, then you can ask me. Understand? These things all of you do now only file page. Okay? Okay na? Okay, very good. Today's class topic. according to your syllabus, your next chapter is chapter 17 is done now. That is agriculture and it is completed now. Yes or no? Yes. So, according to your syllabus, your next chapter, chapter 18, that is our industries. Our industries. This is your chapter. So, students, open your book, page number 111. Reading time, and everyone read this chapter, page number 111 to 113. Okay, I read now this chapter very carefully. Okay, our industries. In this chapter we will discuss about what is industries, how many types of industries. Okay, and there are three types of industries, and why this is important for us, for our country. These things we are discussing about this chapter. Okay, so everyone read this chapter very carefully. In next class I will explain you this chapter. Okay student, till then have a nice day, and once again happy Republic Day students.